For today, all you need is a broomstick and a chair, and we're going to grab nice and wide and reach overhead. We're going to do a few reps to kind of open up the shoulders. Now the wider you grab on the stick, a little easier. The closer you grab, the harder it is. We're just opening up the chest and shoulders. You could also do this entire mobility in a standing position if you don't feel like sitting down. I prefer to sit down, so I keep my back nice and straight, and we're pulling back, chest nice and tall, and we're going to hold at the top. Very good. Bring it back down. We're going to grab one underhand position, and we're going to fully rotate the arms, and you want to squeeze the arms down, and you should feel this across the upper part of your back. Now if you can't get a full rotation, that's fine. Just go as far as your body allows you to go. And we're going to hang out here and continue breathing. Fight to sit up tall. Very good. And we're going to switch sides. One hand goes there, one hand goes over, and we're going to reach out and rotate. Now on this particular stretch, the closer your hands are to the stick, the little easier it is to rotate. The wider, the harder it goes. We're going to open up and we're going to do one more rep. Nice big squeeze. Focus on staying nice and tall. In 4, 3, 2, and 1. Very nice. For this one, we're going to grab one hand behind the back and the other arm's just going to act for leverage. The goal is to pull one arm forward and you're focusing on the hand in a high position, opening up. And again, we're going to work some repetitions, focusing on getting the back of your hand to scratch the middle of your back. Now again, you have to listen to your body. Don't force the stretch. If it hurts, regress, and don't pull as far back. We're going to hang out here, sit up nice and tall, and breathe. Pro tip, you can work your hand down the stick to reach as far to the middle back as you can. Very good. We're going to release, and we're going to switch sides. One hand goes behind the back. The other arm is simply pulling it forward a bit to allowing your arm to travel back. Very good. We're going to pull forward and open up. Very good. Walk your hand down the middle of the back. Nice and tall. Head up, chest up. We're going to hang out here and breathe. Very good. And bring it back in. Very nice. For this one, we're going to grab the stick in an overhand position. So I'm going to change my hands real quick. We're going to lean forward and we're just going to lift the arms up as high as we can. And again, the goal is to kind of open up the chest and shoulders, rise back up. Very good. And now we're going to bring the stick back in front and we're going to work on single arm openers. So one hand acts as the guide and we're pushing up and back. The goal is to reach as far back as we can and extending. Very good. It's okay to have a little bit of a rotation on this one. Keep that top arm nice and straight. The other hand pushes the arm back as far as you can go. Now again, depending on your level of flexibility, don't force the stretch. You want to go to where it's slightly uncomfortable, but you can feel the stretch. Switching sides, we're gonna press with one arm and reach far back as we can. You want to keep a nice 45-degree angle and push back. Very nice. Bring it around and push back and extend. And one more time, push back and really extend back and hold. Very good. And bring it back in. Overhand position. And we're going to work back to the first one, reaching back as far as we can. Trying to push back as far as we can. And we're going to tilt to the side and tilt to the other side. Kind of loosen up the lats a little bit. Very good. One more time to the left. Other time to the right. Very good. And back to center. Squeeze back as far as you can, tall chest. Very nice, and bring it back in. All done for today.